Hello guys, I hope you are all good. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make Spanish torrijas. Torrijas is a typical dessert that we usually have in Holy Week. So before moving to the kitchen, I would like to say that we are gonna make a vegan recipe because it's very easy to find a normal torrijas recipe, and we are more keen on show you how to make it in a vegan way. So yeah, let's go for the ingredients. So now I'm gonna show you the ingredients. Our main ingredients will be hard bread and cinnamon, which will give to the torrijas an extra flavor. We will need some milk. We are gonna use oat milk to make it in a vegan way, some sugar, and some orange and lemon skins, which will give another kind of flavor to the torrijas, and it will make it sweeter. So let's go for the recipe and let's smash it in the kitchen. So that would be the recipe of the torrijas. I hope you enjoy watching the video, and if you like it, just give thumbs up. See you in the next video. See you later, alligator.